Okay, we're going to be finding the area of a triangle. Pretty straightforward triangle right here. What I would tell students, excuse me, get some scrap paper here. Okay, so I can just explain this to you, I guess. If you think of this thing as a rectangle, right, and you can fit 4 squares that way, and you can fit, oh dear, 9 squares. Let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so if you can fit 4 squares going up and 9 squares across, you see what I'm doing here? That's 36, right? You're going to be able to fit 36 squares inside this whole rectangle. Well, you can get rid of this half because the triangle cuts that rectangle into 2 equally sized pieces. So what used to be 4 times 9 is 36 is now half of 36, which is 18. And even though there's like little half squares in here, that's okay. It's still going to be 18. So mathematically, the way we show this is the area of a triangle. And if you want to put a little triangle symbol down there, you can to show that we're doing the area of a triangle. It's going to be half the base times the height. And so the base is 9 feet, and the height is 4 feet. 9 feet times 4 feet is 36 square feet. And half of 36 is 18, so 18 square feet is our area. Now, why are the feet squared? Well, you may remember, you may not remember that anytime you have 2 numbers multiplied together that are the same, those can be raised to the second power. 5 times 5 is 5 to the second. 5 times 5 times 5 is 5 to the third. Well, an interesting thing happens when you've got units that way too. Like if you do, 6 times 4, 6 times 4 is 24. But if you do 6 centimeters times 4 centimeters, well, the 6 times the 4 is still 24, but centimeters times centimeters is equal to square centimeters, centimeters to the second power. And so that's why the units change. As soon as you multiply them together, they get raised to the second power. So here we go. That's our area there. Let's look at number 3, and that kind of can be our last one because they're all pretty much the same. Area is equal to 1/2 times 20 meters times 7 meters. Oops, excuse me. I tell students they always have to write the equation empty before they begin. It just helps memorize that equation. 1/2 base times height. Okay, so 20 times 7 is 140 square meters. Half of 140 is 70, so the area is equal to 70 square meters. Okay.